How to delete your Facebook business page. I'm Georgianne from GSD Solutions, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Once you're in the back end of your Facebook business page, on the Manage Page side, you're going to scroll down on the left-hand side until you see Settings. Once you see Settings, you're going to go ahead and click Settings. Now, on Settings and Privacy, on the left-hand menu bar, you're going to keep scrolling down until you get to the section that says Your Information. Underneath Your Information, you're going to select Access and Control. Once you click Access and Control, it'll bring you to another page that will give you the option to either deactivate your page, which is temporary, or delete your page. If you want to delete your page, you're going to go ahead and select Delete Page and hit Continue. On the next page, it'll give you the option to download your information as well as transfer a copy of your information, and you can select which one that is best fit for the next step that you'd like to take. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and click Continue. Now, it'll prompt you to put in your password. The password that you want to put in on this page is going to be the password for your Facebook profile. So this is the individual's account that is connected to the business page. A business page cannot live without an individual person's account. So that all business pages are connected to individual accounts. So what you're going to do here is that you're going to put in your personal account password. So once you put in your personal account password, you'll then have the option to select Continue. Now it'll give you a prompt to make sure that you are making the right decision and that you truly want to permanently delete your Facebook page. If you change your mind within 30 days, you may reactivate the page. But if you're sure you want to delete that Facebook page, you're going to go ahead and select Delete Page. You'll know that your page has been fully deleted once it brings you back to your Facebook account. And it may also sign you out. So whether you go back to your Facebook main page or it signs you out, that'll be your signal to know that it is now deleted. Once you log back into your Facebook account, you could go down to See More, click Pages, and then you'll see that your page has been deleted from your list of pages. And then on the right-hand side, if you would like to reactivate, you'll see the name of that page there for you to reactivate it. I hope this video was helpful, and if you need additional support on technology or operations, go ahead and schedule a call with our expert at gsdsolutionsinc.com. If this video was helpful for you, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment any questions that you may have down below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.